In this class, I am going to show you the solution procedure of problem number 33. Problem number 33 from the chapter of integration by the method of substitution. So far, I have shown you the solution procedure of total 32 number of problems from this chapter. And this is problem number 33. Here, integration I is equal to tan x sec square x here dx and divided by root over of a square plus b square tan square x. Okay, this is the given problem. Here small a and small b both are constants, only variable is x. So this problem is also very easy to solve, though it looks complicated, but actually it is very easy to solve. Let a square plus b square tan square x, this is equal to z square. Okay, now differentiate both sides. So if you differentiate the first term, a square, it is a constant term, so you will get 0. For the second term, you will get b square, tan square x is there, so 2 tan x and ddx of tan x, that is sec square x dx. This is equal to what? Right hand side will be 2z dz. You can see that 2 is present on both the sides. So both the 2's are cancelled. Therefore, from here we are getting what? We are getting tan x sec square x dx. This is equal to z dz by b square. This b square I have taken in the right hand side. Z dz by b square. So that is the value of tan x sec square x dx. And you can see that in the numerator, tan x sec square x dx is there. So instead of that, we can write this one z dz by b square. Therefore, integration I, this is equal to what? Integration of 1 by root over of a square plus b square, tan square x is there. And this is equal to what? This is under root, so z. So 1 by z. And there we are getting 1 by b square into z dz. This z and this z are cancelled. So therefore, and 1 by b square, this is a constant. This can be taken outside the integral sign. So remaining thing is integration of dz only. And integration of dz is nothing but z. So 1 by b square into z plus a constant of integration c. And z is what? Z is root over of a square plus b square tan square x. So root over of a square plus b square tan square x. Okay. Plus a constant of integration c. So this is the answer to the given problem. Okay. This is the answer. This is the answer to the given problem. Okay, this problem is also very small in size. So this was the answer. 1 by b square root over of a square plus b square tan square x. Let me check whether the lower portion of the board is visible or not. Yes, it is visible. In the last few videos, I have already mentioned that we have one website. We have, means here my colleague is also helping me a lot for the preparation of these lecture notes. Okay, my colleague, I'm erasing this one. I think you have already copied or you have already watched the entire video. Now I am erasing this one. Okay. The solution, this is a given problem, and name of my colleague, she is a lady. Name of my colleague is this, I am writing here. Shomita Ghati. Okay, she is my colleague, and together with this, I am also present. My name is this. Deepak Shah. This is my name. Okay, so together of us have written few books on mathematics which are available on Amazon website. Amazon. AMAZON. Amazon website. Just go to Google, type there Amazon, you will get Amazon website, and there you search by these names, Shomita Ghati and Deepak Shah. Only this name is also sufficient to search for the books which we have published as e-books. Those books are not hard copies. Okay, those books are e-books. You can purchase all those books. Prices are kept minimum so that each and every student can purchase all those books. And if you don't want to purchase those books, you can follow our YouTube channel. Okay, in making my lectures, this person, Ms. Shomita Ghati, has helped me a lot. Okay, so that's why her name is her name also appears in our all the videos. And in near future, she will also deliver few lectures on the same subject. Okay. Now she is so busy that she is not getting sufficient time to make video lectures. Anyway, so this was all about the books. Okay, few books, most of the books are on mathematics, and few books are on different subjects such as physics, spirituality, like that. And also, one more thing I want to add with this, that is, we have one website. We have one website. Name of the website is physics, mathematics, mathematics, and mechanical engineering. Okay, physics, mathematics, and mechanical engineering. Okay, physics, mathematics, and mechanical engineering. Few books, various topics are covered in that website. Physics, mathematics, and mechanical engineering. The URL of the website is https://bell1994/1994.blogspot.com. Okay, if you search this URL, this is URL. Okay, if you search this URL, you will get our website. And name of the website is Physics, Mathematics, and Mechanical Engineering. Various subjects. There are so many subjects on mechanical engineering field. In mechanical engineering field, there are so many subjects. I have trying to cover subjects like engineering mechanics, fluid mechanics, heat and mass transfer, dynamics of machines, okay, etc. Few subjects are being covered by me, not by me actually, by us, Shomita Ghati and Deepak Shah. Okay, so few subjects, and along with those subjects, of engineering, mechanical engineering. We are covering physics and mathematics also. And in near future, physics and mathematics of class 11 and 12 level, okay? Means higher secondary level. Physics and mathematics, and later I will try to cover physics and mathematics of BTech course also. BTech means Bachelor of Technology, means engineering course. Okay, later I will try to deliver few lectures on those subjects, physics and mathematics of BTech level. Okay, so you can note down this website. You will get various topics relating physics, mathematics and engineering field. Okay, you will get those topics in our website. And if you don't want to follow our website, or if you don't want to purchase books from Amazon, then you can follow our YouTube channel. I think we will be able to cover all the topics in our YouTube channel. Means this channel. Name of the channel is, you know this, Vishnu Sundari is the name of the channel. Anyway, so this was the problem number 33. The last problem I have solved in this video lecture. Next we will move to problem number 34. Okay. From the same chapter, I will solve one more problem. That is the name of the chapter is integration by the method of substitution. Okay. Then, no, nothing else. Thank you.